and start offsetting. First, offset the vertical line at a distance of 25 on both sides. Again the same line at a distance of 18 on both sides. Again the same line at a distance of 11 on both sides. Now offset the horizontal line at a distance of 25, the same line at a distance of 19, the same line at a distance of 17.5, and the same line at a distance of 12.5. Enter. Now trim the unwanted ends. Let the horizontal line be there so that we can give it for the axis of rotation. Now here trim the lines. So it's almost done. Now choose the go for return, go for reward protrusion. Since the axis is not given, now we have to mention the axis of sketch, so we can revolve it at 360 degrees. Now it's done. Now go for save, give it as bearing bottom half. Enter. Again the same thing. Take cutout option, take the sketch option first, draw the lines. Now go for return and then give cutout. Select from the sketch. It's done. Give for through next. Now we got the top of it. Now go for tools, material table. Here it's brass. Give it for save. Now open the bottom half of it. Now take the sketch option, take the same face, draw the lines as before but in the top portion. See to it that the horizontal line is straight. Now go for return, take cutout option, select from the sketch. It's done. Through next. Now we have got this. Now we need to draw another protrusion, so select this one, take a circle at this midpoint at a diameter of 6. Go for return. Now protrude, select from the sketch this one. It's done. Protrude at a distance of 12.5 plus So we got it. Now again diameter, go for return, choose cutout option, select from the sketch. It's done. It's through next. Now we got the protrusion what we required. Now go for tools. This is our vertical one. 9 on both sides. Trim the unwanted lines to get a perfect square. Now make diagonals. Now select the entire thing. Go to rotate option. Take it from the center and rotate it by removing this. Now delete the diagonals. Go to return, protrusion, select from the sketch. It's done. 6.5. Now go for again sketch, choose the top surface, draw a circle of diameter 10. Go to return, again take protrusion, click on the circle, give it at a distance of 75. Now we need to make threads. Click the cylinder, and the end from which the offset has to be done. Give the offset distance to be 49. Now the thread are done. Now take revolve cutout option, horizontal plane, vertical plane, draw a line. Now zoom, go to line option, now take a circle of diameter 40 and place it at the position. Now trim the unwanted option. Now choose the axis of revolution, give return, and choose throughout the circle. Now the bolt is done. Go for tools, give the material as